Here's how Washington State LLC can decrease your Washington State estate taxes. Okay, this is going to be for people that live out of the state of Washington but own real estate in the state of Washington. Okay, generally, if your assets are over $3 million as of the recording of this video and you own property in Washington State, you need to file a Washington State estate tax return when you die. Your out-of-state assets will kind of be backed out of that return, but you're still required to do it, okay? Because you own property in Washington State and you're over the threshold. There's kind of a way around this. If you own a house in Seattle, for example, and you live in Texas, for example, if you put your Seattle house into an LLC, it transforms that property from tangible property, which is counted as Washington State, to intangible property, which is counting as being in the state where you live. So you have just taken Washington property and for Washington State estate tax purposes, made it Texas property. When it becomes Texas property, it is no longer subject to Washington State estate taxes, even though it's technically real estate in Washington. Kind of crazy, right? But it's true. So if you live out of state and you have property in Washington State and you're worried about Washington State estate taxes, consider the LLC. Talk to an attorney first though. Okay, make sure you're doing it right. That's it. See ya.